at 25, gusting to 35. Oklahoma City, mostly sunny. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lamar County in north-central Texas, northwestern Delta County in north-central Texas, southeastern Phantom County in north-central Texas, until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Honey Grove, or 16 miles north of Commerce, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paris, Honey Grove, Blossom, Roxton, Ladonia, Pecan Gap, Windham, Tokyo, and Sun Valley. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time for north-central Texas,